I have always had the opinion of taste and smells take you to a certain point of time in your history. It takes me back to my grandma's tiny kitchen and her house, and just that's how she showed her love. She couldn't give you money, but she could give you food and fill your bellies. She was such an inspiration of just love and devotion, and she would absolutely love this place. And I feel her here. You know, I know she's here with me all the time. Coming into this whole business world as a stay-at-home mom, as a res kid, as a female minority, the only thing that I knew was how to make Frybread. I just love feeding people, and I want them, as many people, to come here and taste this food and taste part of my culture and feel the love that the Navajo people have for just everybody. There are a lot of displaced Navajo, meaning they're from the reservation and they live down here now, and they come in through my doors and they eat the food and they say, wow, it's like we're home. And I love that. That's just like, that makes all of this worthwhile. It's so exciting to see how it's almost this resurgence that Mesa is having, and there's so much diversity here, and there's always been this diversity. There's so many natives down here, so many different tribes. City Limitless to me means having a seat at the table as a minority.